Welcome aboard Justine, the perfect choice for your next event. Justine is a private yacht offering you a first-class, luxurious ride in New York's picture-perfect harbor. Newly remodeled and ready for a private charter, Justine is ideal for your next party or a surprise romantic getaway. At 97 feet long, she can accommodate up to 12 guests, or she sleeps 8 for overnight excursions. Enjoy our spacious main deck, forward observation area, and the 360-degree view from the lounge. Justine is ready for fun and is equipped with a premier sound system, satellite TV, and a microphone input. Enjoy endless views of downtown Manhattan, the Brooklyn Bridge, and Lady Liberty herself. For service, style, comfort, and convenience, there's no better choice than Yacht Justine.